Hello, everyone. Today I have not one but two very special guests with me. Today we have Mr. Ashutosh with us, who, although has hearing and speech impairment, still he never let it deter him from his path. He was adjudged Mr. India Plus 2021 in the plus size beauty pageant in India, organized on 28th of February 2021. We also have his mother with us, who will tell something about Ashutosh's success story in brief. We hope that the session will inspire many of the viewers. Welcome, Ashutosh and Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Sharma, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Good.
Ma'am, at what age you came to know about Ashutosh's hearing problem? आपको कब पता चला इसके बारे में?
When Ashutosh was 1.5 years, then I come to know about his problem that
Uh,
he is suffering from
so,
hearing problem.
so जब वो पैदा हुए थे तो आपको पता ही नहीं था he was like a normal kid.
No, no, yes. Normal case, and he is very active and very smart.
Definitely,
No one can guess he is suffering from any problem.
that तो reflects in his works, definitely. So, आशुतोष स्कूल के competitions में कैसे tackle करता था? क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा है कि he studied in DPS. So DPS as a normal children's school where special children are not welcomed enough. So वो कैसे
Okay.
tackle करते थे?
In the beginning, man, he faced many problems in study. Very difficult for him to understand, but I help him in everything and explain things in written form many times. And in future, after some time, he start understanding everything.
So what type of problems did you face as a parent? क्योंकि आप पीछे हमेशा थे उनके, तो इसीलिए आपको तो पता ही होगा आपने कितने problems face किए हैं, वो आप share कीजिए please.
Well, first of all, so when I come to know about the problem, Ashutosh, I feel shocked. And the first thing that we have to do that is accept this fact and prepare mentally ourselves for the problem to face. And we do that and start uh, consulting doctors, and then they say the speech therapy is good for him. We daily go for his speech therapy to Delhi, which is 45 kilometers away from our home, and we always go by scooter only. At that time, we have no car. Maybe it may be rain or winter or any season, we go by scooter only. And then we start learning many things. Extra efforts are always required. Extra labor is required. I am working as a economics lecturer at that time. When I come to know about the problem, I left my job. First of all, I left my job and resigned from that and spent all time with us.
डेफिनेटली एक माँ ही इतना सैक्रिफाइस कर सकती है और जब आपने जॉब छोड़ने का डिसीजन लिया, सो आप डेफिनेटली यही सोच रही थी कि आशुतोष के लिए आप कुछ बेटर करेंगी. सो आज आपको क्या लगता है, आज ये देखकर हाउ डू यू फील दैट ही हैज अचीव्ड सो
I
मच?
feel now with all my efforts and hard work has given me this result, and now Ashutosh is independent at this stage, and he can face every problem in life. No doubt, he is fully independent and happy, and always face problems.
Like people say na ki behind every man's success there is a woman. So yes, behind a child's success definitely a mother is there, and you are the true example of it. I really feel honored to get a chance to talk to you. So
Thank you, ma'am.
so what type of problems did Ashutosh face as a student? उनकी लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी जब वो एक स्टूडेंट थे?
Ma'am, as a student, when in the starting, he faced some problems in understanding, but never feel like that ki, I am not do that thing. He is always one principle of is there for him. Nothing is impossible. Always I can do everything. always do his homework daily, all full syllabus, never leave any questions, and good results are there. Handwriting is very good.
So, स्टडीज में कैसे थे आशुतोष? स्टार्टिंग से, बचपन में स्टडीज एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, खेलने कूदने में कैसे थे?
He is very intelligent from the beginning. IQ level is very high, and he always best in studies, math, and uh, math is math. He is interested in math, and he loves cycling. Without subtitles, the full story to me कि what is happening there. Math उसका favorite subject था, और every time he learns computer only, play games on computer, see movies without titles, cycling, volleyball, cricket, every match he can play with all children.
Definitely. So he had a very fruitful childhood. बचपन में सारे बच्चों के साथ खेलना है, सब कुछ किया है, तो definitely कोई या ऐसा कभी पता चलता ही नहीं होगा.
हाँ, no, he is very intelligent, very happy all the time, smiling face every time.
तो क्या आपने कोई एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस या टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की थी टू हेल्प हिम हियर एंड लिसन?
Yes, ma'am, external device, he used hearing aids. Many times he used and many times throw them away because of mechanical sounds.
Oh, yes. So still he can understand sign language, can he?
He never studied sign language.
Oh, that's
he can do everything in return. Nothing is impossible. Every question he can answer.
That is what the motto should be. Everything is possible.
Hanji.
So what are Ashutosh's next plan for the future?
He wants to inspire many people. He says that every person should fulfill his dreams, and nothing is impossible, and if you do hard work, you will get the fruit also.
And इनके रोल मॉडल कौन थे और हैं?
Ma'am, role model तो every person whosoever do hard work and do something, he is always inspired by everyone. And main he is inspired by the thoughts of Vivekanand, Abdul Kalam. From the childhood I saw that, and Mr. Dhoni, he is his role model. Vivekanand thoughts, Abdul Kalam thoughts, all are inspired. He is inspired by them all.
आप एक इंसिडेंस क्या हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि उस समय की आशुतोष बाकी सारे किड्स के बराबर ही है, बाकी सारे बच्चों की तरह ही है? तो कभी ऐसा आपको किस समय फील हुआ कि आप कह सकती हैं कि वो बाकी बच्चों की तरह ही हैं?
Madam, I feel every time he is like other children because he did everything like other children. But the problem is that I have to do hard work with him. Every time efforts are required, but he never left anything and do every aspect of life he covered that.
और अगर हम पूछें कि what are
the CAT exam, then I think now nothing is impossible. He can do everything, and he will remain independent at that time.
And अगर हम पूछें कि आशुतोष की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
He's a hard work man, and honesty and positive attitude. Or he always love others, respect others. Everyone who meets him, he loves everyone.
Totally agree. So, do you have any message that you want to give to the parents and the children?
I want to say the parents only that if any problem is with their child or special problem, never dishearten and only gather your efforts and do hard work, and do everything for their children so that they can fulfill their dreams in a good way.
I'm so lucky to have you both in this frame and really inspired. Ashutosh is definitely a person to get inspiration from, and you sitting beside him, you are the actual energy behind what he has done. So I'm really lucky to get a chance to talk to you both and see you both together. Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.